I'm telling you about life. Always take a elderly person's advice. Never go giving up on life. We gotta celebrate life, celebrate life. You know, like the birds in the sky, they are so free. The wind is so cool. The rain is so nice. I'm celebrating life. I love the life that I'm living. I don't wanna be seeing the graves. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna be celebrating life. That's all I gotta do. Taking good advices and spreading love all about. Spreading love around the world. Treating the girls with compassion. You know, a lot of niggas in the streets are doing it wrongly. So I'm here to teach them rightly. You know my vibe is tightly, but they go spite me because the things that they do is so easy. They get it for free, but I'm a real G. I gotta work hard to get that pretty lady. I'm celebrating life, so we gotta do it good, do it tidy. A lot of niggas doing it untidy, and they are putting shame to the ladies. So I'm celebrating life, putting everything where it's right. Celebrating life, alright. We live by rights, so we celebrate life, alright. We do everything right, never do wrongly. You know we're not gonna take it easy, take it spitefully, because everyone wants to undermine me. They say they have to be, but we are the ones who we understood everything while we were in class, while we were taking the lessons from the teachers in school. I don't expect you to have the ideas and the brain and the talent that I do. So I'm a king for myself. I celebrate life. I tell you about life. Take a lot of adult good advices, you know. Celebrating life. We do everything right. We don't wanna lose our vibes, hold our vibes tight. Celebrating life. A lot of people are giving up on life. Life is so good. The money, the clothes, the paradise of life. You know the good meaning of life. Hold your vibes up tight. Open your eyes. Take all the good advices, so you will live life. Life is so good. Life is so good. Life. So we celebrating life. We doing everything alright. Celebrating life. Life is so good to you. Life is so good to you and your whole family and everyone in the world. They know how life we have to hold the value. Never drop the value of life. Life is good to me. Life is good to you. We celebrating life. Take all the good advices and celebrate life. We don't wanna give up on our vibes. We hold our vibes tight. While we celebrate life, do everything right. Celebrate life. I'm celebrating life. I want you to take the good advice and live forevermore. Don't go to the floors, to the graves.